we'll just say this is part two. This will be very short, just to conclude the interface part. You've seen these, and I told you that they're draggable, they're movable, and here is your work area. So you can drop a field here. Now, this place right here. Now, can you see it says drop field here? It's the same thing as dropping a field inside your column shelf, right? So dropping something is the same as dropping something in your field, in your column shelf right there. And dropping here along this horizontal axis is the same thing as dropping something in your row shelf. Okay, so you can, once we have data in our data pane connected, once we're connected to data source, we can see that in practical. And of course, you have the center field where you can drag and drop some of your fields that you have here when you're connected to data source. Now, the best option about this is that when you don't know where to drop a field, when you don't know where to drop your fields, right? Because they are represented as a field on this pane. And let me take out this zoom option. So you can always drop them in the middle here, and they will automatically, Tableau will understand, look through the kind of varieties and put it where it feels it should be. So you can put it in the row for you, or you can put it in the column for you right away like that. And you can also double click it from here and to jump into where it's supposed to be. So rounding off, now right here, down here, okay, let me start from the right. So you can always go back to your data source to see probably if you performed a join, or when you're connected, you can see your connection. You can see the data source you're connected to. You will not be having this window when you click on data source, as long as you're connected. Okay, so don't get it confused. Now you have sheet 1, right? This is sheet 1, and if you look at this, let me zoom that in. Now you're seeing, let me open it again. Sheet 1, it says new worksheet. Can you see that? So the first option here is to create a new worksheet. The second option, like this, is to create a dashboard. Can you see it says new dashboard? And the last option here is to create a new story. That's the last option here. It is to create a new story. Okay, and that is it for all these options right here. What else do I need to show you? So if you move along this axis all the way down, you can see some of these enabled. Depending on whatever you have, you can change the view. Of course, we're not working with anything yet. You can move between sheets, pages, etc, etc. All right, that will be all for this video, for the interface video. See you in the next one.